In the world of CNC machining, post-processors play a crucial role. They translate the toolpath data from CAD/CAM systems into machine-specific code that CNC machines can understand and execute. Without post-processors, the seamless operation of CNC machines would be impossible. However, creating and maintaining post-processors comes with its own set of challenges. For example, each CNC machine has unique requirements, and the diversity of machine types and configurations can make this process complex and time-consuming. Due to the complexity of the toolpaths, individual toolpath points must be accurately translated to ensure precision. Developing post-processors for machine tools or robots is a specialized field that requires expert knowledge. Errors in post-processing can lead to costly machine collisions and ultimately downtime. ModuleWorks Post-Processor Framework, or PPF, is a powerful and flexible tool designed to streamline the process of generating CNC machine code. Whether you're working with milling, turning, or complex multi-axis machines, PPF has you covered. Here's how PPF works. First, CAM user creates an operation that is used to generate toolpath data container. This data consists of all machining operation parameters, motion points, kinematic information, and path properties. Then, multi-X post, an inverse and forward kinematic solver, calculates the resolved machine axis values or joint values based on the kinematic tree of the dedicated machine using the machining operation input from the CAM system. Depending on the kinematic tree, linear and rotational machine moves are resolved. Finally, PPF processes all the input information and generates the output. This output is based on machine and controller-specific languages like G-code and binary code and structure, for example, main, and subprograms as required. With PPF, ModuleWorks provides a range of features that make the job of manufacturers and post-developers easier and more efficient. PPF offers ready-to-use solutions for commonly known NC dialects. Output can be tailored to support major controller types and output formats such as ISO, Cinemeric, FANUC, Heidenhain, and many others. PPF is the most powerful post-processing environment developed for CAM systems. It can easily and reliably manage very large toolpaths with several million lines of NC code for multi-axis machining. With streaming mode, NC files with billions of lines of code can be processed. Operation tree can be easily managed. The demo shows the tree run and how the successive calls are completed, visible by the output of the comments. In this manner, PPF enables the implementation of individual logic and behavior in a customer post. Using ModuleWorks PPF, CAM providers and manufacturers benefit by an industry-proven solution for NC code generation, reduced development and maintenance expenses by integrating fully featured post-processor component, maximize productivity with rapid NC code generation, even for the largest toolpaths, API for seamless integration into existing CAM solutions using C# or C++, supported by comprehensive documentation.